The F-15 Eagle was built with a single priority: air dominance. Its design centers on thrust power and climb performance. The unrestricted climb demonstrates this priority without restraint. It is not a stunt. It is a display of excess power and control margin. The aircraft begins on the runway in a clean configuration. External stores are minimized. Fuel load is managed for performance. Engines are brought to full military power, and an afterburner. Thrust immediately exceeds weight. Acceleration is aggressive. Rotation occurs quickly. The aircraft leaves the ground and transitions directly into a steep climb. Nose angle increases rapidly. Airspeed remains controlled despite the climb rate. The Eagle converts speed into altitude with minimal loss. Twin engines produce massive thrust. Each engine alone can sustain flight. Together, they provide surplus power. The climb angle approaches vertical. The aircraft continues upward without hesitation. Control surfaces remain effective throughout. Flight control remains manual. The pilot manages pitch and engine output directly. There is no automated limit preventing the climb. Structural design allows this profile. The airframe was built to tolerate extreme loads. As altitude increases, the air thins. Most aircraft lose performance. The F-15 continues climbing. Thrust remains dominant over drag. Climb rate stays high, well beyond normal operating envelopes. This performance was demonstrated during early testing. The aircraft reached extreme altitude in minutes. These profiles validated interceptor capability. The Eagle could reach threats faster than any peer aircraft. The unrestricted climb is not used in combat casually. It burns fuel rapidly. It exposes the aircraft visually and on sensors. However, the capability exists. That existence shapes enemy planning. The F-15 was designed to control vertical space. Altitude equals energy. Energy equals dominance. The ability to climb faster than opponents defines engagement terms before combat begins. Later fighters introduced stealth and sensors. Few matched the raw climb performance of the Eagle. Even decades later, the F-15 remains one of the fastest climbing fighters ever fielded. This capability reflects Cold War design philosophy. Win by being faster, higher, and stronger. The unrestricted climb is the purest expression of that logic. The F-15 does not require permission to climb. It requires only throttle and intent. That is what the unrestricted climb represents. Total control of vertical battle space through power alone.